Hey guys, so welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox Skullcandy Crush 3. So it is around 70 pounds. You do get a few colors. You have a black, you have red, white. I leave the link below for the updated price if you guys are interested in it. It does come with 22 hours of battery lives, and you do get rapid charging, so it is going to be a fast charging. Get 10 minutes of charge. You have 4 hours of playtime, and you do get an audio cable with this. It is also come with the 2 years warranty, international warranty. Let's give it a try. Audio quality on this, comparing with the other ones we have used, and is it worth for the purchase. So it does come with the noise isolation instead of noise cancellation. Color of the headphone is amazing on the red. I am fan of red color, so it is look really nice. You get a user manual and you get an audio cable. It's 3.5 to 3.5. Then you get a micro USB cable. Then we're gonna try the headphones. So there is no cases or even a pouch to put them on. So 70 pounds, so 80 pounds, you don't get a pouch. So it is a really beautiful headphone for a red color, and you do get that. So first, the material, it's very soft for your ears. You do get metal again. You can adjust your headbands, so it does come with the metal, so it's a bit more safe. It will able to take a bit more abuse before it breaks. So you can fold the headphone into one piece. So you get a volumes up, volumes down, pause and play. You get a micro USB cable intake and audio intake on here, and you have the microphones are built into the sides. So we're gonna try the audio quality, then we're gonna watch a video to see any lag. You don't have to download any apps to the Skullcandy. It's very straightforward headphone, so you don't have to do much on there. Now we're gonna listen to house mix. First of all, we're gonna listen 50% in audio. Softness on the ear cups make a huge difference. It's clear. You get really, so you do get a like extra bass on this, even though the headphone doesn't say it's extra bass, but it does offer an extra bass. Full volume. So audio is clear, there is no lag, so everybody know the song's Hall of Fame. The audio quality, you can't get better than this. It's very clear, so there is no lag. Let's reduce the volume, see if that make any difference on the audio quality. The audio is still clear, there is no crack, there is no distortion. So now we're gonna watch a song called Can't Be Touched. So let's put the volumes up. So the audio is clear, there is no distortion. Putting volumes up, volumes down, you don't have the issue. It sounds really good. The noise reduction is amazing. It is almost, you have the same feeling of having a noise cancellation headphone. When you come to audio, amazing. You don't have to go through like Sony's, where you have to download the app to add bass or remove bass. Where on here, it is very straightforward. Turn the headphone on, connect it to it, start playing. So in that case, I do like the simplicity on the headphone. If you're going to use it for journeys, I would rather get a case for this, because it does not come with a case. So if you are interested in a case, I leave the link for a headphone case. Is it worth it for the money you are paying? Is it worth to buy one? I would say yes. The Skullcandy does offer a really rich bass. It's come with a noise isolation, which is almost close to the noise cancellation when you put the audio to the full volume. Most of the time people actually confuse between noise isolation with noise cancellation. Noise isolation is using the headphone ear cups and the volume to reduce noise. The noise cancellation use a technology that is embedded in the headphones to cancel the noise out. If you guys after a simple headphone, don't want to do anything with the apps, simple as that, and you want to use microphones and longer battery, here's going to be a Skullcandy Crusher 3 will be your ideal set. In my opinion, it's actually very good headphones. I love the bass and the fitting ear cups. They're very comfortable, very soft in your ears for long hours of use. If you guys are after a simple headphone, go for the Crusher 3 or go for the Sony 700, which is come with a noise cancellation, and it's around 35 hours of battery instead of 22 hours of battery. But if you don't want anything to do with noise cancellation, you want a simple headphone, go for the Crusher 3. If you guys enjoy this video, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, comment below what you like, what you don't like about Crusher. If you have one, let's learn together and help each other out. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video.